Welcome to Stateroom 4146 on the Koningsdam with Holland America, which by the way I eventually learned was pronounced Koningsdam. We are sailing today from Vancouver to Alaska. Super excited, and I do want to say thank you to Holland America for hosting me on this cruise. I've never been to Alaska, so I'm very excited to see the wildlife. But anyway, I want to give you a little room tour. I am in a Veranda stateroom. It's an accessible room and there are a lot of different features. So let's do a little tour. First of all, super easy to open and close the door. You can just click this or use the handle here. And then you put your key card in here to get electric. There are also loads of different places to hang and fold. You can hang stuff here. Got this big closet with our safe, an umbrella, our life jackets, and lots of hangers. You can also use this to pull this down as well. Close that up. You might hear some seaplane action in the background because again, we are on the water in Vancouver. Now, lots of closet space, like I said. We've got our robes here. Very excited to put this on and sit on my veranda. We've got the minibar here, but you'll have loads of places on board, different restaurants and bars. They have jam-packed itinerary every day with loads of different things to do, shows, bingo, games, all types of things. Drawers here with lots of space to fold, and down there as well. In this cabinet, we have some cozy blankets for sitting out on the veranda, which I'll show you at the end. And then just some wine, glassware, things like that. Like I said, there's so much to do on board, but if you do want to spend some time inside, there are loads of different movies here. You can also learn more about the ship and the different things to do on this home screen here. So we've got a little table and chair, really big comfy bed. This is a nice feature. So instead of putting your dirty luggage on your sheets, you can put it on this. Each side of the bed has a nightstand, got a phone, you can control the lighting here. But something I really love is this reading light on each side. So if you like to stay up and read, your travel partner does not, you don't have to disturb them with having all the lights on. Also have this safety cord that you can pull in case of an emergency right by the bed. Then let's come over to the desk. So there is Wi-Fi on board. If you want to do a little bit of work or anything, you can do stuff here. It does have its own light there. And there's a bunch of outlets. They also left us a lot of fruit, probably a month worth of fruit there. There's also a thermostat on the wall so you can control the temperature of the room, which I love because I like it cold when I sleep. Here is the bathroom. So we've got a mirror there. There was a mirror in the closet before that we looked at, and then there's a giant mirror here to the side. And then we've got a mirror here. It has its own light, Elemis bath products, toilet, shower with more bath products. And then the veranda. Maybe you'll see a seaplane taking off. So we've got a ramp, and then excited to sit out here with some wine. And we've got our two chairs here where I plan to spend a lot of my time relaxing. Now this was an obstructed view veranda stateroom. You could see what that looks like here. It's a great way to save money while still having a balcony, but you can absolutely also get an unobstructed view, as you can see here.